Whether you're grinding ranked matches or building the ultimate battle station, your desk is the foundation of your entire setup. In 2025, gaming desks have leveled up, offering more than just space. We're talking cable management, RGB lighting, ergonomic design, and pro-level durability. Today, we're counting down the top 7 best gaming desks of 2025, the ones that are crushing it in design, performance, and gamer-approved features. Let's jump in and find your perfect command center. Number 7. Thermaltake Battle Station. The Thermaltake Battle Station remains a dominant force in the gaming desk market of 2025, thanks to its bold, futuristic design and smart integration of features tailored specifically for serious gamers. Built with premium materials and a steady steel frame, the Battle Station delivers on both aesthetics and functionality. Its RGB lighting system is more refined than ever, with dynamic color synchronization that can be controlled via Thermaltake's ETA key software, which also interfaces with other Thermaltake peripherals. The desk surface is wide and smooth, featuring a full-surface mouse pad texture that gives gamers more flexibility and fewer restrictions in movement. Thermaltake has clearly designed this desk for multi-monitor setups, offering exceptional cable management with a hidden raceway and rear grommets that eliminate clutter. What sets the 2025 edition of the Battle Station apart is its built-in smart panel. This small touchscreen control center allows users to monitor system stats. Thermaltake has clearly gone the extra mile to meet the evolving expectations of gamers who demand performance from every part of their setup, even the desk. Number 6. Eureka Aero Pro. Eureka has long been respected for its commitment to ergonomic, function-first designs, and the 2025 Aero Pro continues this legacy while adding a sleek modern flair that makes it feel like a true centerpiece in any gaming room. The Aero Pro's surface is made with carbon fiber texture, offering both durability and a high-tech aesthetic. Measuring over 60 inches wide, which gives it a fluid, height-adjustable range that caters to standing users just as well as it does those who prefer to sit. The inclusion of Eureka's new AeroTouch control system provides fingertip control over height presets, lighting zones, and even smart integrations with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Gamers can now issue voice commands to adjust desk height or change ambient light colors without interrupting gameplay. The desk also features improved airflow for tower placement, while keeping the tower safely off the ground. Eureka includes a spacious cable management tray. The Aero Pro is a shining example of ergonomic innovation paired with durable construction, making it a natural fit for both casual players and full-time streamers who rely on consistency and performance. Number 5. Flexispot Comma. The Flexispot Comma makes a compelling case as a premium hybrid desk that straddles the line between gaming station and professional workspace. It's an ideal choice for users who want a desk that works as hard as they play. Flexispot is already known for its sit-stand desk technology, but the Comma distinguishes itself with a blend of modern styling, integrated smart features, and space-conscious design that makes it well-suited for both bedrooms and compact gaming setups. It features a tempered glass top that not only looks sleek, but is also easy to clean and durable against wear from heavy keyboard and mouse use. The standout feature of the 2025 Comma is its enhanced drawer integration. The desk now includes a lockable, motor-assisted drawer that slides out with a soft push, ideal for storing accessories, controllers, or cables. Flexispot's dual-motor lift system has been refined for even quieter operation, and USB at charging ports, now upgraded to support fast charging protocols. While the RGB and flare might be toned down compared to other entries on this list, the Comma's blend of minimalism and functionality makes it a top pick for gamers who appreciate clean lines and intelligent storage. Number 4. Aruzi Arena Ultrawide. Aruzi's Arena Ultrawide has long been a fan favorite for its spacious surface and immersive gaming appeal, and in 2025 it continues to lead the pack for gamers who prioritize space and simplicity. This year's update brings a few quality-of-life enhancements while retaining the desk's signature feature, machine-washable mouse pad surface that spans edge to edge. For gamers who love to spread out or stream with multiple display setups, There's no better option at this price point. The Arena's signature curve remains a defining feature, creating a semi-enclosed feel that immerses players into their setups. Aruzi has continued to improve upon this design by slightly widening the front curve and reinforcing the steel frame underneath, making the desk even more stable than previous models. Assembly is straightforward, and the desk's modularity allows users to rearrange parts or move the desk without too much trouble. Aruzi also refined the microfiber surface for better mouse responsiveness, which competitive players will notice. For anyone building a command center around comfort, space, and ease of use, the Arena Ultrawide continues to offer one of the most value-packed experiences on the market. Number 3, Cooler Master GD160 has always been a stylish and tech-forward desk, and the 2025 iteration further proves their commitment to innovation in the gaming space. The GD160 stands out for its minimalist industrial design, accented with a matte black powder coat finish and RGB lighting strips that wrap subtly around the outer edge. While some desks lean heavily into aggressive styling, Cooler Master's GD160 finds a refined balance, bold enough to fit into a gaming aesthetic. This integration allows users to sync the desk's RGB lighting with other Cooler Master components, significantly improving stability during height transitions. These help streamers and serious gamers monitor their environment for optimal PC performance, especially those using high-end setups that can be sensitive to room conditions, perfect for hanging accessories, headsets, or lighting rigs. The GD160 is both feature-rich and stylistically versatile, setting a high bar for what a modern gaming desk should offer. Number 2, SecretLab Magnus Pro. SecretLab's Magnus Pro has redefined expectations for what a gaming desk can be, merging high-end construction, thoughtful cable management, and an industrial elegance that makes it feel more like a workstation from a sci-fi film than a piece of furniture. The 2025 model keeps this momentum going with updated materials and even more precise control features. The desk remains uniquely slim, just 1.5 inches thick thanks to an internal power system. The Magnus Pro is motorized, with a dual-motor lift mechanism that is remarkably quiet and durable. The sit-stand range accommodates a wide array of user preferences and saves up to 4 height presets. One of the standout features remains the Mag RGB system, allowing gamers to attach magnetic lighting strips that sync with SecretLab software and third-party integrations. The desktop surface is still compatible with SecretLab's proprietary magnetic ecosystem, allowing cable anchors. It's a significant investment, but one that delivers on every front for those seeking the pinnacle of desk engineering. Number 1, Flexispot E1. The Flexispot E1 is an understated yet highly capable desk that appeals to a broad range of users, gamers, remote workers, and students alike. Its minimalist design, durable frame, and highly customizable build make it an excellent entry point into the world of sit-stand desks. Flexispot has refined the E1 over the years, and the 2025 edition features smoother lift motors, better integration with Flexispot's app ecosystem. Its frame is built to hold up to 220 pounds, more than enough for a full gaming rig, including dual monitors and sound systems. While it lacks RGB lighting or dedicated gaming accessories, gamers looking for a no-nonsense desk that can keep up with hours of use without breaking the bank will find the E1 to be a reliable, long-lasting choice. And for those wanting to personalize their setup further, Flexispot offers a wide range of accessories from cable trays to monitor arms designed specifically to pair with the E1 frame. And that wraps up our list of the top 7 best gaming desks of 2025. Whether you're chasing peak performance, clean aesthetics, or max comfort, there's definitely a desk here that'll level up your setup. Let us know in the comments which one was your favorite. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss out on the latest gear reviews. Thanks for watching.